Nabitin ba kayo sa sagot ni Alden Richards sa GMA Integrated News interviews nila ni Catherine Bernardo? Ang sagot dyan ng Asia's multimedia star,
Pero
No, it's just me asking.
the friendship that we have, Kath and I, parang yun nga, like the whole team nung Hello, Love, Goodbye. Yung friendship na nabuo, whenever we see each other, it's like nothing has changed. And I guess you can't find much of that in this industry. Mahirap nang makahanap.
ang mutual admiration ng dalawa. Kitang-kita rin sa aming panayam bago ang pagpapalabas sa big screen ng Hello, Love Again sa susunod na Miyerkules.
The first time I met Kath, and while doing Hello, Love, Goodbye, parang very shy, very timid in a way. Parang she is parang trying to explore different things pa during that time. But right now, titingnan mo pa lang siya ngayon, you can see the woman she is now. Nakaka-proud lang. She's a strong, independent woman.
Hanep, thanks po. I would say after this movie, mas nakilala ko si Alden, definitely. Kasi when we did Hello, Love, Goodbye, 2019,
Parang hindi tayo masyado kasi...
parang that was purely work.
Work.
Wala kaming chance to talk and anything. I think malaking part ng chemistry is friendship.
Trust and...
Trust and friendship.
Trust and
And I
friendship.
think that's what we have right now. Hindi mo naman makikilala kung hindi magiging open yung isang tao. And siguro yun lang yung nakatulong sa amin dalawa. We didn't force it na, okay, you have to tell me all these things na hindi mo sinasabi sa ibang tao para mas makilala kita. Enjoy.
Pag amin pa ni Catherine, ginamit niyang hugot sa pag-portray sa role